She ate a piece of rabbit shit.
No.
Those some false blueberries. Outside with Tony Newberry.
Your bitch was bad.
How bad? She couldn't even go to kindergarten class. She was so bad, she farted and shit came out her ass.
Ooh, shit came out her ass?
Yeah, she pooped it.
Wait, I wasn't there.
Am I film it? YouTube it. Actually, she didn't poop enough, shawty. I need you to redo it. I'm her caretaker, so I guess I gotta scoop it. Run that whole video back, bitch, loop it.
Floating in the ocean, bitch. You can call me a sailor. Who's a broke little bitch, you chilling in that trailer. Behind you, look behind you. What that is? That's your humble abode. Your bitch came back for seconds, she want the whole load.